joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I've been working in my Countdown to Christmas series. This is a series I started a few months ago where I'm putting up a video every 25th of the month from now until November 25th in an effort to have an album ready to go on December 1st so I can document all my Christmas memories. In the first video, I created the cover. The second video, I created dividers where I'm separating my journal into 4 weeks of the month. And this time I've created prompts that I'm going to be using when I fill out my December daily. Each week has a theme. Week 1 is holiday favorites. Week 2 is holiday wishes. Week 3, I'm going to be doing a photo scavenger hunt. And week 4 will be all about the reflections of Christmas memories. I'll have a link in the description box to my Ko-fi shop if you would like to go over and grab this freebie and follow along with the prompts that I'm going to be using. In addition to creating the prompts this month, I created my 7 base pages for week 1. I only did base pages to follow along with the prompts that I have for week 1. I will be embellishing these pages and decorating once I get into December and start actually doing my documentation. I have continued to use scrapbook paper from the kits that you'll see in the previous videos, and also some digital kits that I did get from the Paper Bee. I will have the link to that Etsy shop in the description box. I've tried to leave plenty of blank space where I can add photos, journaling, or just anything I would like to save and remember. I've also tried to pick images that I thought went along with my prompt ideas. And I've put labels on my images to make titles for these base pages. Next month, I plan on having base pages for my week 1 and week 2, and then in November, we'll follow up with my base pages for week 4 so that we can tie it all together and be ready for December 1st when we start documenting our December. So I would love it if you would hit the subscription button and the like button, and also leave me some comments about what you're doing in your Document December or December Daily album in an effort to be ready when December 1st rolls around. And be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.